All right, so today we're going to be showcasing some of the drills that you can do at home in preparation for the upcoming Big Boys ESKRIMADOR method to his madness. Before we do that, I want to say a special shout out, thank you to our sponsors, MandoCore and TacKnife.com. Go check out their websites, and it's going to be listed right here on the screen as well as on the body of this post. But so right now, we have here Jeremy. He's going to be showcasing some of the drills that we use to increase the sensitivity of our fingers. So now the way you do this is that you have 2 sticks. I would suggest that you get them evenly weight as best as you can, but if you're not, make sure that you put the heavier one in your dominant hand. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is that he's gonna hold the stick all the way to the bottom. There's not gonna be any puño, right? And then he's gonna hold it with elbow straight. Now it's very important that you keep it at eye level. Okay, so now what you do is you're gonna use your fingertips and let it crawl down, right? Do not use the palm. Don't let gravity take over. Just let it crawl downward slowly, and then now as you get to the top, you have to crawl it all the way up. Okay, now it's important that you keep your elbow straight, keep it at eye level, and keep your back straight. Just relax. As you can see, Jeremy's already squinting because, you know, he's being dramatic, right? But it definitely does work out your fingertips, increase the sensitivity. Again, one more time, Mr. Ringer. There you go. Keep your elbow straight, Jeremy. And then you go back up. Make sure you don't use the palm of your hand, just your fingertips. Breathe at the same time when you're doing this. And all the way to the dot. Now, once you do a minimum of 5 sets of that, you go sideways. We go horizontal. Okay, and go. Now, of course, if you don't have sticks, I would try to get like something else that you can use this with. If you only have 1 stick, you can definitely do this just 1 hand at a time. But I would definitely make sure that you guys use both hands on this one. So once you get all the way to the end, excuse me, once you get all the way to the end, you get to the other end. So you do about 5 sets of these, maybe once a week, the very minimum once a week, so that you guys can increase your hand sensitivity. Okay, thank you, Jeremy. All right, so if you guys are looking, wanted to join us at the seminar, please go to this website, which is listed here below and at the body of this post, as well as if you sign up at Early Bird, you're going to get a seminar T-shirt, as well as you get a chance to purchase your own sticks during the Early Bird. After the Early Bird, we will not be we won't have any of we won't be able to sell you any sticks, so you're gonna have to provide your own. And after the Early Bird, which is the Angry Bird price, it's gonna be more expensive, as well as it's going to not get you a free shirt. So sign up, guys. Sign up as early as you can for the upcoming Big Boys ESKRIMADOR'S Method to His Madness seminar on September 25th in Olympia, Washington. Peace out, God bless, and keep swinging them sticks.